Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and what I have for you today is a really exciting video for me. It's going to be an unboxing video from a product that was sent over to me by the good people over at Multipick, and I'm just so excited to get this open. What they sent over to me was this package here, and what's going to be inside is going to be the KRONOS pick. That is an electric pick gun. I'm so excited to be able to try that out. I've been looking at that for a long time, and I think that was really nice of them to send it over to me to try it out. So without further ado, let's get this box opened up and see what is on the inside. This box was sent over from Germany, and it looks like it was able to survive the flight very, very well. Let's see. Alright, so inside is going to be the KRONOS Multipick, if you can see that here. So what I'm going to do is, let's just get this all cleared out of the way, and let's get this box opened right up. Alright, so looking at the package just from the front, what I'm seeing is that this is a pretty big tool. It's going to be an electronic pick gun. It's the Multipick KRONOS. And I'm just so excited to open this up right now and we can take a look at it. It looks like it's going to come with the pick gun, a charger, an Allen key, some batteries, and some pick needles to help facilitate this. So taking a look at their website, this product will run you about 199 euros if you're part of the European Union, and if you're not and you do not have to pay that tax, you'll be right around 167 euros, and that would be about 197 USD for anyone looking on from the US. So let's just take a quick look and see what this looks like on the inside. The scope of this video today is just going to be an unboxing. I am going to do a review on this very soon, but I just wanted to get this open and share some of my excitement with everyone. I have really been looking forward to having one of these, and I'm just so excited to see that it is now here. Alright, so this is coming with some instructions. Confirm the position of the negative battery terminals. Definitely, I do not want to mess up any of the batteries. And then we have another little insert here. And then now let's get down to the good stuff. Alright, so just look at this right here. That is a monstrosity. That is huge. That is awesome. That is a really big tool. And taking a look at the rest of the package here, it comes with a couple tension wrenches, one tension wrench, and this is the hex key, the little Allen wrench. Multiple needles for utilizing the pick gun itself. This is going to be the attachment for charging the battery, I presume, and here's a cord. Then we're going to have another bottom of the keyway tensioner, and this is going to be the battery itself. It's a 18650 battery, keep power. Actually, I'm familiar with that brand. This is actually a really nice battery. So they send you a really good battery. It's probably even a protected cell battery for your gun, and that is good. It's not one of those sketchy generic ones. But let's clear out this a little bit here so we can just get a closer look at all of the contents that we got today. Alright, so one more look. Here's the box that it came in. Very nice, neat box. Really cool stuff. Then we have the main component of the pick gun itself. This is going to be really cool. And then unscrewing the bottom here. This is where the battery is going to go. Let's open up the battery. And we really should probably charge it up, but let's just see if we can get this going. So they said be very careful, negative, negative. Going to screw this on. Let's see if we get some power. That is pretty cool. Now we can open up one of our needles. What I might do is I'm just going to secure this, and let's just take a quick cut. I'm going to grab a lock and we're going to try this out. Alright, so what I have here is my Schlage cutaway lock, and what I did is I put a little bit of a shorter tip on, and we're going to see what we can do to get this open, just see how this works right out of the box. This is not a formal review by any means, this is just kind of just having some fun with this new toy. So be honest with you, I don't use these ever. It's my first electric one. I have had snap guns, but the key is you just got to get yourself some room and get under those pens. Do some light tension, and look at that. The lock opened right up. It kind of fell out of the vise, but as you can tell, we were able to get it open in just a second. So this is not going to be a comprehensive opinion of this. I have just gotten this out of the package, but I just want to say that is really cool. I am so excited to be able to try this out on some more locks and just be able to share my opinion with everyone, the good and the bad. I want to do a really nice, fair review on this tool, but I'm just going to say I am just so excited to have this. So either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has just been a really quick unboxing and just first showing of the KRONOS tool. This is something that I've really been looking forward to have, and I just want to say thank you again to Multipick for sending it my way. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day. And I cannot wait to get started with this tool.